Water cycle shows how water is cycled around our world via non-living and through living organisms. Most of the water on Earth is found in our seas and oceans, including water from the lakes. Energy from the sun heats this water up and it converts it from a liquid into a gas. So energy from the sun converts the water in our seas and oceans from a liquid into a gas. And this gas is water vapor. The process of heating water from a liquid and into a gas is called evaporation. This is when the water turns from a liquid into a gas. This arrow here shows how the temperature cools as you increase the altitude away from sea level, so it cools. What happens is warm air rises, so the evaporated water from the seas and oceans will rise, and as they rise to cooler altitudes, the warm air will condense. As it cools, it will condense into liquid water. This condensation of water vapor will then condense into clouds and then collect as rain as the rain droplets get larger. When the rain droplets get too big, they will then fall. So the rain or snow or hail are going to fall, and we call that precipitation. Precipitation is going to then transport the water back down to the ground. It will transport it back into the lakes, rivers, and also back into the seas. This shows water runoff into the streams, lakes, and rivers. This will then potentially go back into the seas and oceans. Water is absorbed by the roots of plants. This water will go through the plant or tree by the process of transpiration. Water is absorbed as a liquid. It goes through the plant and it evaporates out of the leaf as a gas back into the atmosphere, whereby this water vapor will eventually rise, form clouds, and then fall as precipitation. The water is used for photosynthesis. Animals are going to drink the water. We then excrete the water, or we sweat the water, or water is going to leave our body via the byproduct of respiration that we breathe out. And this water vapor is going to rise, condense, and then form rain as clouds and fall as precipitation back into the seas and oceans and lakes and rivers. This is how water is cycled around our Earth.